Hello, Singapore!
On our second day in Singapore, ang gagawin namin ay city tour.
Okay, just tell you a little bit about the city tour. City tour means a short tour in the city. Okay, first we will drop by the souvenir store, duty-free souvenir store first. Okay, then early bird catches the worm.
Sir, anong binibili mo?
Keychain for our motors and for friends, riders,
Oh.
riders.
Wow! For whom? For whom the keychains?
I will give it to my baby love.
Sana all!
Baby loves.
3. I need one
Miss
more.
Venus, anong bibilin mo?
4.
Keychain.
Keychain.
And then, this one.
I buy macaroon for 2 pieces, $18. And then I also buy chocolate mango
Dark
for
chocolate.
only 3 pieces, $24.
Wow!
And then let's go, let's check.
Okay.
We are also buying some chicken, fish skin. Pagkatapos namin pumili, ayan na, bayaran na. Napakadami din palang tao dito sa souvenir shop.
Then after that we will ride past of the city. We drop by Singapore Flyers for short photo shots.
So, ito naman, pumunta kami sa Singapore Flyer. Ang Singapore Flyer pala ay may taas na 541 feet. At ito ay pangatlo sa pinakamataas na Ferris wheel sa buong mundo. Nagpicture lang kami dito at pumunta na kami sa next destination, ang Merlion Park.
Merlion. Okay, Merlion, I will leave you for half an hour. Okay, you go and take photo with Merlion.
Hi! We're here to Marina Bay!
Yay!
And then we were going to
Merlion.
Park. Let's go!
Dun yung Merlion, pupunta tayo dun ngayon.
Yes. And then let's ask other leaders.
How's your
Okay.
feeling?
Miss Ivy, tara dito. Ivy. Ayan, Miss Ivy, kamusta naman yung view dito sa Marina Bay?
Ayan, ang ganda po. Finally, nakita na natin yung Marina Bay.
Okay po.
Okay guys, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Merlion, kung saan makikita nyo yung lion. Makikita ninyo yung leon, nabubuga ng tubig.
Wow!
Sabi po sa tour guide namin, this lion came from the word, the Singapore came from the word lion. Kasi pag sinabi, ang ibig sabihin na po ng Singa ay lion. At ang por ay mahirap. Ang por ay ano? Por ano po? Sorry po, Ma'am Tel. Singapura. Dati po ang tawag sa Singapore. Yes, Lion City daw po ang Singapore. But after ng Spaniards. Ano? Ay, may history sa Pilipinas pala yun. Ano ba yan? Ayun. Okay, so we're here.
In-enjoy namin yung view sa Merlion Park. Grabe, kahit maaga pa, sobrang dami na ng tao dito. Madaming mga turista. Isa sa mga pinupuntahan ang Merlion Park dito sa Singapore. So, kanya-kanya na kaming picture. Mainit, pero kailangan maganda pa rin sa picture.
find a chocolate outlet, okay?
Wow.
Yeah. Any chocolate lovers here?
Yes.
Plenty, yeah? Maybe carry the whole shop back, okay?
Wow. Cheap chocolate.
Huh?
With cheap chocolate.
Yeah. We have cheap, we have quality, we have good one, nice one. Huh?
Ang next destination namin ay sa Choco Atelier. Mas madaming pagpipilian na iba't ibang flavors ng chocolates dito. May dark chocolate, milk chocolate, mint chocolate, durian, at marami pang iba. Hi everyone! So we are here in Garden by the Bay. Let's go! Pumunta naman kami sa Garden by the Bay. Sabi ng tourist guide namin, mas mababa yung temperatura at mas presko dito. Dahil doon, napapanatili na mas buhay at maganda yung mga puno at halaman.
To ask you, let's say after the city tour, where do you want to go? You all have planned where you want to go?
Yes, I think we will go to Luge, Sky Luge, Sky Park.
That means Sentosa.
Yes.
Sentosa. That means you will go there and buy tickets. You will go and take cable car?
Yes.
Or you will go and take cable car this?
We will go to cable car.
That means you will go there and buy ticket and see
Yes.
whatever you play.
Exactly.
Okay, good. Okay.
Tapos na kaming mag-tour at ngayon kakain na kami ng lunch. Sa napuntahan naming kainan, madaming pagpipilian at very affordable. May mga noodles, roasted chicken, fish dumpling soup, chicken pork porridge at marami pang iba.
Miss Alena, anong food mo ngayong lunch?
Wonton noodles!
Wonton noodles and rice. Miss Venus, anong food mo?
Roasted chicken.
Roasted chicken.
Only $4.
$4. Miss ID, anong food mo?
Roasted chicken with rice.
Roasted chicken. Okay. With 3 soup.
So I ordered coffee in Singapore, and it's for to go or for takeaway, and this is what they gave me. Parang palamig lang. Pero masarap naman. It's super delicious. Sarap na lang. Ay,
Hi everyone! And we are here to MRT station. Aljunied MRT station. So we are going to Skyline Luge in Sentosa. So let's go!
Ayan na nga, after namin kumain ng lunch, ready na ulit kami sa next adventure. Para makapunta kami sa Skyline Luge, sumakay kami sa MRT. Grabe, nakaka-relax yung views habang papunta kami sa Skyline Luge. Pumila na kami para makuha yung tickets namin. Nag-online payment muna kami para less hassle, kaya mabilis lang kaming nakakuha ng tickets.
Hi everyone! We are here already in Skyline Lodge. So, nakasakay na kami guys. Oh my god, we're here now.
Uy, ang ganda dun guys. Oh my god. Kita mo yung dagat. And then, ganun yung gagawin namin later. Ayun, nakikita nyo yung mga bumababa na yan. That are we going to do?
Video! Woo! Ito pa, bisa. Green. Ito pa, video! Woo! Expedition! Woo! Woo! Let's go! Woo!
Pagtapos namin sa Skyline Lodge, nag-check muna kami ng balance namin at nag-cash in na din para mag-reload yung mga top cards namin.
Naman. Nasaan ka ngayon, sir?
Nandito ako sa Pilipinas, Chinatown, Philippines.
Ang last itinerary namin for today ay Chinatown, Singapore. Ayan, nag-ikot-ikot na din muna kami. Napakarami ding pagpipilian na pwedeng ipasalubong pag-uwi ng Pilipinas. Realize namin na kung mauuna ang city tour at pupunta kayo sa mga souvenir shop, ang tips namin ay huwag kayong masyadong maengganyo sa pagbili ng madami dahil may mga mas mura at makatipid kayo sa labas, lalo na dito sa Chinatown. Pero kung gustong-gusto mo talaga yung products na yun at sa tingin mo hindi mo na siya mababalikan, then grab it. Deserve mo yan, B! Dito na din pala kami naghanap ng makakainan para sa dinner namin.
Hello! We were going home. We are done. Shopping! Yay! So let's ask them how there. Buying experiences in Chinatown.
Hello, Miss Jab. Miss Jab, ano po yung mga nabili mo sa Chinatown?
Nabili ko sa Chinatown. Actually, a lot. Chinatown is a offers a very cheap souvenir. Not cheap pala. So yes, I bought a lot in Chinatown. We bought chocolate and gift for our co-workers located in the Philippines. And actually, there are a lot of chocolates that cannot be found in the Philippines, especially the mint chocolate and dark chocolate with good packaging. And it's very affordable. Please buy.
Wow! Ano po yung nabili niyo sa Chinatown?
I cannot speak Tagalog. Can you
You cannot speak Tagalog?
can you please translate it?
What did you bought in Chinatown?
Nothing but my cell phone.
What?
Class A, class A.
Parang authentic na authentic talaga yun.
Mali talaga ako. Hey, what is that? That's crazy.